is up, YouTube? So today is Monday and possibly the Ford will be ready today. Now it's not insured or anything, so I won't be able to drive it home yet, but it'll be done. So right now I'm going out buying a bunch of coolant and trans fluid and stuff, and I'm kind of on a wild goose chase right now trying to find Mercon because I need that for my transfer case. And for some reason, two stores I went to already, Advanced Auto and AutoZone, both didn't have just plain Mercon. They had Mercon 5 and Mercon LV, but not Mercon. So I'm gonna try one more store, and then if they don't have it, then Hannah Ray said that she'll go pick it up at the Pep Boys near her house. Okay, so actually Hannah Ray just texted me that everything's ready. I just saw the fluids that need to go in, and the trans fluid, the oil, coolant. So everything's ready, so I'm gonna rush to get there and just get everything in there and get it started. Or hopefully get it started. Okay, so I'm here now, and there's the truck.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Nope. As you guys saw, engine turns over, but it doesn't stay on. So right now we're letting the battery charge for a while, and we just ran, we just plugged in the scan tool, and we didn't get anything from that, or anything useful at all. So we really don't know why the engine's not turning on. Brenna, you gonna make it work? Brenna! Brenna, come here. Come here! No. Come on! I know you can make it work. You're just a sweaty dog. Alright guys, so Mr. Force just got the car started. It started really crappy, but then it kind of sorted itself out and sounded a lot better. But we turned it off because there's no coolant in it right now. Unfortunately, I didn't get that on video because I was inside when that happened. But right now we are mixing the coolant, and then we're gonna put it in and turn it on. Just scooping up some good old dog food. That's the sound of a car that's alive. Putting in some fuel system cleaner. Just shove it right in there.
I know, I did this the other day.
Okay, so we got the trans fluid in, and now we're lowering it, and we're going to back it out, and hopefully, nothing falls apart. Oh, that was nice. That's a little funny. Seems driving.
Oh, it's better than what I got.
Yeah. Alright, so now that it's done and running, we're just chilling out. I can't even see the screen. I don't even know what I'm recording. Oh, hey. Yeah, we're chilling here, tanning. Then we're gonna go in the pool for a nice dip. Right?
I'm so gross. David, stop.
Hey!
Stop it. Stop. Stop it. Guys, this is David attempting to float. He can't.
I can't. Look,
Hey, dweeb.
my feet just sink. Ready?
He didn't get his merit badge in Boy Scouts because he can't float. He's still caught up on it. He was telling me.
Yeah,
Like a
I
leaf.
don't like swimming.
That leaf can float better than you. And then fling it around.
Okay,
Stop.
guys. Henry has a special skill.
No.
Henry, would you care to show everybody?
I look so gross right now.
No.
Stop.
Just do it.
No,
Do
I'm
it.
not letting people think I'm weird.
They already know you're weird.
Stop.
Do it. We just finished dinner. Now we're heading to the mall real quick. Sandra needs help with her laptop, and I can't fix it. And we also have to exchange this coolant here for orange coolant. Alright guys, so, oh, I look nasty. Anyways, we are back at Ray's house, and we returned the coolant, exchanged it for the one that we borrowed from Mr. Force. And it's hot out, we're just chilling for tonight, gonna watch a movie. But I'm really happy that this swap is finally done. We're gonna take it out for a test drive. I think I said that earlier. We're gonna take it out later this week, and hopefully by the end of the week it'll be ready to take home.